How to stream on Twitch from your phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Twitch on your device. In Twitch, simply click on the plus sign at the bottom. Now you'll find two options, stream games or stream IRL. I'm simply gonna click on IRL. After that, click on the top, which is the pencil-like icon. Here, add title for your stream. Then, in the category, click on category and search for the category your live is. Select the category you want. You can change different settings in here. If not, press on save at the top right corner of your screen. After you've pressed on save, now click on the circle icon at the bottom. After you click on the circle icon at the bottom, you will go live. As you can see, at the top, you will find Stream Live. Now, if you want to end the live, you will find a same button. Click on the same button and press on End Stream, and your stream will end. This is how to stream on Twitch from your phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.